You use the internet every day, but what if it's using you? Every click, every login, every file, tracked, logged, exposed. Let's fix that with a modern internet security stack. No fear tactics, just tools that work. No brand names, just results. In the next 90 seconds, I'll show you how to lock down your online life with 4 essential layers of protection. Layer 1, privacy. Your internet provider can see every site you visit. So can coffee shop Wi-Fi, and so can third-party trackers. A private connection encrypts your data, hides your location, and blocks unwanted snooping even on public networks. Set it to auto-connect. Use it when you travel, work remote, or just want peace of mind. It's the first layer of digital invisibility. Layer 2, identity. Your identity lives in your passwords, and most people reuse the same few over and over. That's a hacker's dream. A strong password manager creates and remembers unique, unbreakable logins for every site you use. No more sticky notes, no more guesswork, just long, complex passwords stored in a vault only you can access. Add two-factor authentication for a second lock on the door. Layer 3, threat detection. The internet is full of silent threats, malicious files, dangerous links, drive-by downloads. You won't always see them coming. That's where real-time protection steps in. It scans, isolates, and blocks threats before they reach your system. Think of it like a digital immune system, always running, always learning. Without it, you're flying blind. Layer 4, data resilience. Even the best defenses can fail. Devices break, accounts get locked, files get deleted, or worse, encrypted by ransomware. That's why you need secure versioned cloud storage. It doesn't just sync, it remembers. Restore previous versions. Recover deleted files. Keep backups in multiple locations, online and offline. It's not just about saving files. It's about saving your work, your memories, and your peace of mind. Here's your action plan. Encrypt your internet traffic. Lock your accounts with strong, unique passwords. Scan for threats in real time. Back up everything. And test your restores. This stack takes less than an hour to set up, but it protects you every single day. Want the tools I recommend? Check the links in the description. They're the same ones I use. Simple setup, no tech skills required. And yes, they work. Protect your connection, protect your identity, protect your future. Stay safe out there.